Hi, I'm Lynn from Eating Ideas. So today I'm going to be cooking fish in a foil parcel with just whatever veg is around. It's really tasty, it's super easy to make. So I'm just placing my piece of salmon, and again you can use any fish there, and then we just throw some toppings on there. So got a little bit of shallot and mushroom. And I would say a top tip is to use shallots rather than onions because they've got much more flavour. They keep for ages. Got a little bag of frozen veg just in the freezer. I'm just popping in. These are really handy to have if you haven't got any fresh stuff in. Just pop some of that veg in. So you can also season this with a little bit of salt, but I just like to add just a little splash of soy sauce. Gives it a lovely flavour. And then just parcel it up. Ready to pop in the oven. And there it goes in the oven for about 20 minutes. So here's the parcel just out of the oven. Careful with the fingers because it can be quite steamy. And look at that. Yummy. These are great served with a jacket potato. So another top tip is if you're baking a potato, bake a second one and just leave it to cool. Just cutting this in half. And I scrape out all the potato, just leaving the skin. And just tip that into a bigger bowl and give it a good mash. And add just a little drop of milk to make it moist. So at this point you can add whatever fillings you want. I have a little bit of cooked bacon and mushroom that was left over from another recipe. So I'm just stirring that in. And I also have some of the vegetables that were left from a salmon dish. Just add a few of the smaller bits. Mix it all together. You can season at this stage if you want, but in this one the bacon's quite salty, so that will do. And then just pack that mixture back into the potatoes. And then just bake these in the oven. If you want, they're lovely with a little bit of cheese over it, but if you just want to be a little bit healthier, leave the cheese off. So just set these on a tray, bake them in the oven, and there is a nice dinner for another day. Just serve those a little bit of salad or whatever you have, maybe some veg. So there it is, foil baked salmon with baked potato. Pretty yummy and very healthy. And also with the second baked potato, just stuffed and baked in the oven, pretty good.